Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Welcome to my new YouTube channel. If you're from my Instagram or my first YouTube channel, welcome back. To those new subscribers that hopefully are watching this right now, welcome to my new video on short circuit electronics. There's like over 20 projects for all ages. So we got the box and all the different components and resistors and other stuff we will learn on the way, because I haven't looked through this book that much, so the booklet, so I'm just doing this as I go along and recording it now. So there's all that needs don't need that anyway. Yeah, so exciting. So I'm gonna be, so these are, okay, so electronic content, all like different projects and the names. Oh crap. And just explaining about stuff like the pins, these things, like a little example. And then the first one, this is what I'm going to show today. I know this is a quick video, but it's my first one on this new channel, so I'm going to make it quick. Maybe I'll do 2 projects, but tomorrow is going to be number 3 and 4. So let's get to it. So I need just a big amount of 4. Okay. Oh, these are fun. Crap. Okay, I see. This is like you have to just fill it around there, and it's kind of semi-stuck. Oh crap. These are stuck. Oh, these still aren't. Okay. I just need 4. There's a 4. 4. Okay. Those I'll untangle off camera to make it easier for myself, because that, I did not plan for that. I thought they were just gonna fall apart. Guess not. Anyway, I'll just chuck that back there. So definitely need this for being the battery thing. So I don't need those at the moment. I just showed you every single piece. So now from here we need a flashing LED, which is this little red doodah thing here. So I'm just gonna carefully get it out. Oh, this is taking a while. And I need a resistor. Oops, I'll put that back in the bag soon. Okay, I got that. And I need a, what resistor is it? Hang on, just moving these off the page, because I need a 470 resistor, and I'm just going to the resistor for a sec. Resistors, and they get really confusing. Like, I flick through it like vaguely, but I'm like, yikes. Yeah, there's Morse code on too, project with Morse code. I'm just trying to find where the information about the resistors and what color ones I need. I think this, no, hang on. Just one moment. Alright, here you go, found the, okay. So, I need, what was it? A 470. So, 470, so, oh yikes. 470. Okay, I'm confused. What one is that one? Is that? Oh. Oh dear. I didn't think that through, did I? I need everything back in this bag so I don't lose it. Oh, crap. Oops. Well, this is my first time, so yeah, things have got to go wrong on you first. Maybe they don't. If they do, they do. If they don't, you're lucky. So, keeping, I just got one out, so don't need two of them. That away, we'll learn about, crap, I forgot how small these were. I did electronics way back in 2015, and I had like a bigger book than this, and I can't remember the name of it, so I'm like, oh crap. So, and need a resistor, eh? So I need something from in here. I don't know which one that is. 470. This is gonna take a while. Well, looks like it's not gonna be a quick video. I thought it was gonna be really quick, show you all your parts, show the parts, and like, boom, done, out. Whoa, look how cool that looks. Interesting. Anyway, let's get to the resistors. And there's a bunch load of resistors. Oh, this is gonna be confusing as crap. Oh, bummer. Can anyone see the ones the one that I'm looking for? Maybe not. The colors are really, really tiny on these, so I don't know. What one is it? Oh, I'm off to wicked stuff. Oh, well. The show must go on. Okay, there's one there. Oh, these are a handful. I'm gonna start putting them there. And there's one there. And there's one more in this bag that I'm trying to get. That. Okay. I would laugh if the first one I grabbed out was the one I needed. So that would be fun. Okay, now just one more on there. Okay, this is so confusing. Oh wait, no, need to find the colors again and what they were and where they are. That's Morse code. But this is my first time going through this book with on YouTube, so don't come down too hard on me. You know, that's like when I create my third and fourth, and then you could just put all the hate on me as you want, but not right now. Somewhere back here, I reckon. Okay. one. That's musk. I probably went past it. Probably went past it then too. But okay, come on. Yeah, I went past it. God, kidding. Where is this page? Alright. Okay. 64. Okay. I reckon people were like, oh no, hang on. The color. 63. Oh, there it is. Found it. Okay, so what? 470. 470. Okay, so we got. This is so confusing. Okay, I am so confused. Can someone help me out? I'll put it in the comments if I don't make it through. Well, actually, what I'm going to do, I'm going to stop and look for it. And if I find it, hooray, I found it. If I don't find it, I'm going to be like, help, please, help. Anyway, so, I will just stop the video right about now. Wait. Okay, welcome back. Okay, what I didn't know is I didn't look at this. You need these parts. Resistor 470, yellow, violet, gold, brown, gold. That's the one that I need to look for. Ah, yikes. Okay, yellow. What else? Yellow, violet. Yellow, violet, brown, and gold. Yellow, violet, yellow, violet, yellow. Oh my word, this is crazy. Yellow. Hang on. In the lights, but yellow, violet, brown. No, that's orange. Yellow, violet. No, hang on. I'm just gonna take a look. So that's I don't know. Brown, black. No. Gold, red, light blue, dark blue. Don't think that's it. What one? These are so hard to read. Wow. So yellow, violet, brown. Ah, here we go. Found them. Finally. You're probably in the chat going, or like in the watching this right now. You're probably going, oh, when will this end? Come on, hurry up. I'm sorry. I'm new to this. But this is cool though. This is low-key cool. So, okay, so move all these over here. Okay, so get that there. I think we have all the parts right now. I think. So we just need one of these. So get that one out. Gently. That one. Oops, bent it a bit, but it's alright. They're meant to bend to fit into place. Like I'm going to do. Okay, I need to keep an eye on all of these because I don't want to lose one, because that means one project won't be done, and I'm not going to be happy because I probably have to go buy a lot of these, so that's going to be fun. So don't mind this at the moment, so sorry about that. But anyway, let's get on with the build. Don't need that for now. Okay. Wow, did that take so long? Okay, so we have the 4 prongs. So we got so let's see. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, and on the 5th one, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then from the 5th one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this goes. I think it goes like that. Hold up. Is it? Oh. Yes. Yes, it goes like this. Because. See. You need to. Wait, no, I'm confused now. What? I did not get this at all. Does this... Okay, I'm confused. How do these work? Right, the terminal spring are pushed through the circuit template into the baseboard at the indication point. Huh? What now? Indication point. Hang on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I just need to like push it through. How does this work? Oh, there we go. I got it. Okay. Shut up. Okay. Next one. How do you... Oh, I get it. Oh. Well, maybe I should try this off camera first. Not look like a total myself. Anyway, okay. We got it. We got this. Yeah. Got it. And then 1, 2, 3 on the third one. Place one in. And that one. And then 1, 2. Okay, so 1, 2, and then that one goes like that. Okay, so we need a resistor, semiconductor flash, which is this thing, and this goes A is long, K is short. How do I remember that? A K A K. I don't know. So I need to bend it like. What? Do I have something in here? No, I don't have anything in here. I need to bend it nicely. So A is long. Yes, A is long. That's right. A is long. Maybe this would be better with some pliers. Like low key would be much better with some pliers, which I don't have on me. So I'm just winging it. Maybe not a good idea to just wing it. Oh, I get how these work now. Oh, I'm so stupid. Wait. Push that down. That feeds through. Oh, if I can get this there, and then this one. Hello, I am getting it. There. Hey, there we go. Is that right? Oh, sugar. How long is this one? Uh-oh. No, don't break. Sugar, this is hard. Oh, what the heck? Stop. Get out. Okay, so which one's the long? Aye. If I bend it anymore, I'm gonna break the damn thing. So that's long, that's short. Long, short. Okay. Long. Short. Oh my. You got this? Just go. Oh. Cooperate. Ow. Okay, there we go. It's gonna look really bad. Okay, resistor. Where's the resistor? Any which way? So. Okay. How do I know which way do I put it? Do I just put it any which way? Yeah, sure. Let's put it any which way. Oh, I thought I broke it. It's just this. This is so confusing. Anyway, that. I That's a long ass resistor. And then push that down. That can go, maybe, ah! I thought I snapped it again. I keep thinking it's gonna snap on me. This has just been it. So where was this one? That's there, that's there. Ah. Oh yeah, this is, look at that. That could just, this is so confusing. And that can go under, under. Yep. Yep. Let's keep it like that. Okay. Gosh. Now, last step is to and classic baseboard spring. You'll need these for every project in the block V6, which is this plastic baseboard. It's this one. So the springs connect. Okay, so how do I get minus? Where's minus? What color is minus? Okay, so minus is the black and the positive is the red. How do I get baseboard layout, paper template, no clarity. Oh, thanks for the help. Okay. Oh, I see. Whoops. So these templates at the back, I'm meant to be using these. Huh. Oh, I guess not for me. Okay. Oh, this is going great for my first video. Okay, not done yet. So I need to figure out how I'm going to get this to do that, but also don't know how to get this one to this one to that. Sorry, I'm covering up what I'm doing. So what I'm doing, got a small bit of Y here, which I'm trying to wrap into a small circle, which isn't working, so I'm going to try and just be that like that. But how do I get... I don't know. Alright, so I know the diagram says to put this one through here to here. Maybe I need to do another wire? Maybe? No? I don't know. Well, what we're going to do, hope for the best and hope it doesn't short out straight away when in use. So go minus first, then push it down, and then minus, and push the plus down. The red one's out now. Okay, so minus. There is no on and off switch, so that's gonna help a ton. Okay. So okay, that's gonna go like that, and this is gonna go like That and LED flasher. Alright, so because it says flasher, so anyone that has epilepsy, please be advised, don't watch this. Maybe not watch this. So because of the flashing lights and some people suffering, maybe because of flashing lights or something else. But if you have epilepsy, I'm just gonna say don't watch this because it's flashing. If it was a still light, no flashing, then yeah, might watch it, might see it. But anyway, if you do and you choose to watch it, it's on you. I'm sorry if you have it. And not working. Oh, someone okay, kind of works. Okay, what did I do? I touched one of these. Let's get the crap. Okay, that's not working. Oh, it's this. Okay, hey, it's not flashing, but hey. Maybe that's why. Okay, so I'm gonna get this out and switch it around to go like this. Like this. And like that. And then like that. It's still not flashing. Okay, but yeah, first one done. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna end the video and say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and hope you all liked it. And subscribe, not subscribe. You could even put a dislike down if you want. You can choose to unsubscribe if you want. So but there's gonna be plenty more. And like, look at this very, very black, complicated one that I'm going to attempt to be doing later. Like, look at these two. It's so confusing. And like that one, those two. Like, it's bizarre. And like, you got that one. Look at that. Like, it looks cool, but look, it's confusing. But anyway, that's my new video, and yeah. Please like, dislike, comment, not comment, subscribe, not subscribe. Yeah, and have a good one.